And what is parallel lines? What are perpendicular lines? Yes, Nana.
Intersecting lines.
What are intersecting lines? Parallel lines means
Ma'am,
you just remember parallel lines, railway tracks, Nana. They never meet.
Ma'am, on the road also, ma'am, that yellow.
Yes, ma'am, the road stripes.
Yes.
Ma'am, and also in a single ruled text notebook, we can see the
Parallel.
lines, ma'am.
Yes, right, Nana. Both we can see. Very good. Good. All are joined. Anyone is left today in the class?
Ma'am, today Sudhisha, I think, and ma'am, I think Sudhisha.
She has.
No, Sri.
I think let me see the.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, everyone join, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, everyone join now.
Very good, Nana. Today all students are present. Very good.
Ma'am.
Namaste, Nana. Namaste, all of you. Why too late, children? 4 minutes. I'm waiting for you. Okay. Shall we start, children?
Ma'am, I tried to join at 4:57.
When you start,
allowing me.
Yes, ma'am, you are not allowing us, ma'am.
Okay, now you just I just reload once again the students, because when I'm sharing my screen, sometimes I'm unable to see that part, Nana. If I'm able to see here, okay. Namaste, Nana. Yes. Today we'll just take with curves. What are curves, children?
Ma'am, curves are.
Yes. Have you ever taken the curves?
Ma'am, when you're on a road with a car, we have to take a turn, ma'am. That's called a curve.
Yes.
Ma'am, curves are lines that does not have length and breadth.
Okay, lines that doesn't have length and breadth. Yes, have you ever taken a piece of paper and just doodle it, children? The pictures that you have result is doodling are called nothing but curves, children. If you just taken a paper and just doodle it, you know how to doodle it? How many curves?
Ma'am, can I tell the curve definition, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Right.
Ma'am, curve is a continuous and smooth line without any sharp turns.
Yeah, curve is children every day in usage. How we suppose it's not straight, but in mathematics, a curve can be a straight. It should be a straight like one number. Suppose let me write on the screen so that you can imagine.
Ma'am, can you tell closed curve definition?
Yes, everything step by step we will go, Nana.
Ma'am, closed curve and simple closed curve.
Ma'am, can you
ma'am,
can you teach us from curves, ma'am?
Curves, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, closed curve, if it meets at 4 different points.
Generally, general sense, curves means what? Curve means generally what you are thinking. Without life in day-to-day life, ma'am, my road is curved.
It is a line which doesn't have any sharp points, ma'am. It is
ma'am, the orbit of the planets are curved.
Yes, my village way is little curves, ma'am, so that I can drive very slowly my bicycle. Like that, you will say some points. Curves means like you are thinking in general sense. It is like, but coming to the mathematics, children. Coming to the mathematics, a curve can be a straight line. Like a curve is not only like a curve shapes, not a curve. It should be a straight line also. Yes, these two are curves. This is a curve. This is a curve. This is also a curve. That is the difference between mathematics and general sense, Nana. Curve can be a straight line. A curve can be, suppose you see some other figures I will draw. Is it a curve, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a curve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am, it's not a curve. It has sharp
ends. It is curve. Yes, it is curve.
Ma'am, but it has sharp ends, right, ma'am? Sharp ends.
No, it's not like that. A curve can be in mathematics. Curve can be either straight or curves.
Yes, ma'am.
So that what is a simple closed curve? We have to go with a simple. What is the meaning
Ma'am,
of
simple means which meet at
Ma'am,
only.
which doesn't intersect.
Nana? They should
ma'am.
not cross itself, Nana. Suppose.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Suppose if I'm taking like a figures,
Ma'am, a circle.
till here it's okay. This is curve. But if I'm crossing like that, is it a simple curve, children?
No, ma'am, because
No,
four
ma'am,
lines
because
are
it
meeting
is
at one single point.
Very good, very good. You see in this point, there is a line from here. There are 4 lines are meeting. It's not a simple.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
it is closed.
But it is closed. Very important points, children. Please remember all these points. What are open?
Ma'am, can you tell closed definition, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Closed curve.
Which doesn't have an opening.
Yes, please tell what is closed curve.
Ma'am, which doesn't have an opening, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, curves which do not have opening, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Or
where
else-
the
or else-
beginning and
or
the
else you
end
can-
points
you
are
can
same.
Or else you can define. One
Ma'am,
other.
where the beginning and the end points are same, ma'am.
Very good. Starting and suppose the curve is started from here. It started and it coming and going and meeting once again. The ending point is also meted with the starting point. This is nothing but what type of curve, children? It is
Ma'am, closed curve.
Closed curve.
Ma'am, simple closed curve.
Yes. What is what? You can mute your mic.
Ma'am,
Nana.
but
Mute your
actually curves do not, closed curves do not have starting and ending point, ma'am. They are continuous, right, ma'am?
Please
Sriharsha,
mute your
mute.
mics. Please,
Ma'am,
someone.
like
Sriharsha, mute.
Children,
Ma'am,
please
like-
mute your mic first of all.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
please.
right, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sriharsha, mute, please.
There are different types of curves. We have one is closed curve, another one is simple curves. So I will give the differences. Simple curves, very important, children. Open curve. There is closed curve. Please
Ma'am,
mute your
open
mic.
curve is you now, ma'am. Like
Closed
you.
curve, yes. Please,
Okay, ma'am.
please mute your mic. Whose mic is that?
Ma'am, that's Sriharsha, ma'am.
Harsha, mute your mic, please.
Mama, I think he's on unmute and he just left. But
Yes, ma'am.
his camera.
Yes, he is there.
Ma'am, he's in
One
unmute.
minute,
ma'am.
Nana. I will only mute everyone here so that
Okay, ma'am.
there is no disturbance.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, you can continue now, ma'am.
Yes, now it is muted, children.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am, it's muted.
Okay. Yes, there are different types of curves. We have simple curves, open curves, closed curves. There are different. What is the difference between these curves? Let me small points we have to write, children, with an example. Simple curves, they never cross itself, children. Suppose like a curves you have to see. Simple curves examples I'm drawing here. Simple curves, they never cross each other. There is no overlapping, children. You just remember the point. No overlapping. What is that?
Yes, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, no overlapping. No
Ah,
intersecting.
Oh,
Yes, overlapping. No overlapping. That means what we have to
Can
write?
we write open curve as open curves are curves which have
You.
the starting point and ending point in different
yes, ma'am.
areas, ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes, you
examples
can.
like U and C, ma'am.
Yes, you can write. Then please listen, children. Cross. They do not cross. Do not cross. Simple curves. Do not cross. Do not cross. Do not cross itself. Suppose you have to see some examples here. Is it a simple curve, children? Let me draw. Is it a simple curve? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Simple curve, ma'am.
Suppose is this a simple curve, children?
Ma'am, it's a complex.
ma'am. Ma'am, it's just curve, ma'am.
It's
Very
not a
good.
curve.
This is simple. This is complex. Very good.
Complex.
Very good. It's not a simple. Very good. Next, what are open and closed curves, children?
Ma'am, open curves are those curves where it won't just get full circle, but a half semicircle like those circles.
No,
Ma'am, an
suppose
open curve is a
is it
curve
a
where
open
the
curve or
beginning and
not?
the ending points are different.
Example.
Can I tell?
Is
Ma'am,
it
like
open
U, C, N.
yes?
ma'am.
Is it a open curve or not?
Ma'am,
Yes,
closed
ma'am.
curves are curves
Yes,
which
ma'am,
have
open curve.
starting point and ending point same, ma'am. Open curves are curves which have a starting point and ending point in different
Yes.
area.
Yes, yes. There is a open. You just see it is an open figure.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
C also, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ma'am said that the closed curves will start at one point and end at one point.
No, same point. Starting, ending, and
Ma'am, M also, ma'am. M.
closed point. Closed.
Just end at different point.
Yes, closed curves are nothing but suppose if I'm starting this figure here, this point, this starting point and the ending point will be same for
Ma'am, it
closed
should.
curve.
Closed curve.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, starting point and ending
Ma'am, it should
point.
meet back where it began from.
Yes,
ma'am.
so suppose if you see, is it a closed curve, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Is it a closed curve?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes. Is it a closed curve?
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Ma'am,
a
no.
closed curve. But not, it's not a, what is it?
It's not.
Ma'am,
It's not a curve, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, it's not a curve. Why?
Yes,
Because
ma'am. It's a
it's
star.
yeah, it's a simple curve. It's a simple curve. Why? Because it's not simple curve. Complex curves, no. Simple curves is also not possible. Complex curves. Right.
Ma'am, for open curves, you can write M also, ma'am.
Open curve, you can take it as
M.
M. Right? Yes, right.
And even V, ma'am. V,
Even
ma'am.
E.
V. V
Yes.
for
E for yes.
V
Van.
for violin.
Right, children.
ma'am, van.
Suppose for this type of curves, what numbers can we
Ma'am, for
take it
N
as?
also, ma'am. N.
Letter D, can we
Ma'am,
take it?
O.
Yes,
Ma'am,
close.
N also.
Yes.
We can write
Ma'am, B,
for
ma'am.
open
B,
curve.
ma'am.
Yes, B is again meeting Nana. It's not, of course,
Ma'am,
it is
N,
close.
ma'am.
It's not.
Ma'am, A, ma'am. A.
Okay. A is C, children. What is the definition for closed curve? Closed curve, can you
Ma'am,
edit?
where the beginning and the ending points are same. ma'am.
But A letter beginning and ending both will be.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, it
Ma'am,
will be
it does,
different,
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in
not
open
capital, ma'am.
curves, Ma'am, in open curves, we can write S, ma'am, and we can also write
No. Next.
Ma'am, normal A, ma'am, not capital A, ma'am.
Normal A is also, you just see here, my dear. Let me write on the screen so that you can understand.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, normally we'll have it is almost a closed curve, but for a closed curve, they will add another line.
Okay, sorry. You are saying A, letter A. You just see, children, is it a closed curve?
No, ma'am.
No, this is not a closed curve. Please don't confuse children. Please be very easy things. What are
Okay,
simple
ma'am.
curves? What are open curves? What are closed curves?
Okay, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am,
go with
and a note, ma'am.
interior and
A note, ma'am.
exterior.
Ma'am, a
Then-
note. And we do not, ma'am, a curve cannot be both closed curve and open curve together.
A curve?
A curve cannot be open curve and closed curve together, ma'am. Like for example, B is not a B. The letter B.
Ma'am, it's
ma'am.
neither, ma'am. It's not closed. It's not.
It's not a
open.
closed curve nor a open curve. ma'am.
Ma'am, if you take N, ma'am, it's only an open curve. It's not a
Yes.
closed curve.
Yes, children. Yes. So next, coming to the next point. The next point. In closed curves, there are three main we have to supposed to consider, children. In closed curves, we can write some interior portion, some exterior portion. Yes. Do you heard what is the interior? What is exterior? What is on the boundary?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
interior is
Interior means inside.
and
Exterior means outside.
Very good.
Ma'am, interior means inside, exterior means outside, ma'am.
On
And
the
the
boundary means
Ma'am, lying on the angle.
Yes.
Okay, children, this is, I don't know why it is not happening. I'm writing here, children. Please, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. We can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you supposed to check, children. We have to go with a closed curve. A closed curve can be 3 parts in a closed curve. In a closed curve, only we are considering in closed curves, children. There is an exterior. There is an exterior, interior, on the boundary.
Ma'am, can we tell like ma'am, there are 3 types of closed curves, ma'am, or there are
The boundary.
three points in
Yes, children, suppose if I'm taking this is my curve like amoeba. This is my curve. In this, what is suppose I'm taking a point A is inside the closed figure, point B somewhere, point D I'm taking somewhere.
ma'am, not that, ma'am.
Yeah, from
Are
the
these inside a closed
and
curve?
E is I'm taking here. Now you have to check what are the points are interior.
Ma'am, A and B are interior, C and D are lying on the angle, and D is outside.
Exterior.
Yes. A, B,
Ma'am,
A,
one doubt, ma'am.
point
we-
A. Yes.
Can we write this as points in a closed curve, ma'am?
No, we can't write. Point C is on the boundary. C and E is on the boundary.
No, not that, ma'am. Ma'am, exterior, interior, and on the boundary. How are, ma'am, points?
Point A and point B
I
are,
didn't understand.
yes, point A and point B are where inside the portion or outside the region, Nana.
Ma'am, they are in the interior.
So that what we can take it as points A and B are interior of a curve. Interior of a closed curve. What are exteriors, children, here?
Ma'am, outside the
Ma'am, D,
outside the
ma'am.
curve, ma'am.
Yeah, point D is outside. Point D is outside of the closed figure. That means point D is exterior. Exterior of closed figure. Closed figure. Which is on the boundary. On the boundary means it is lying exactly on the boundary. Now in your room, you
Ma'am,
are,
C and E.
children, in your reading room, you are in exterior or interior?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
interior.
in the interior, ma'am.
Okay, yes. Our door is exactly our main door is exactly on the
boundary.
Boundary,
On the
ma'am.
boundary, ma'am.
yes. You have to take like that as some examples, children. There is an points like C and point C and point C and point D or point E are on the boundary. On the boundary. Now, what are inside region? If any points lie inside the region, inside the closed figure, inside the closed curve, we can call it as interior. If any points lie on the outside of the closed figure, we can call it as exterior. Exterior. And some points lie on the boundary of the curve, so that we can call it as on the boundary. These are the main points we discussed.
Ma'am, why can't even the open curves have this like 3 parts, ma'am?
We can't assess about open curves, Nana. Why? Because only closed curves we can specifically mention it is these are the points inside, these are the points on the boundary, these are the points exterior, but we can't say about open curves. We are unable to assess whether it is these are particular things are happening with them, because those are open curves. Next. Children, next point is different types of polygons. Children, do you know what are polygons?
Ma'am, can you scroll up, ma'am, 1 minute?
Ma'am, it is a closed figure, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm writing notes, ma'am.
Joining
Can
line
you-
segments.
Sudesha.
Ma'am, polygon is also a closed shape.
Very good, very good.
Yes,
Polygon is also a closed shape. Yes, you said polygon is a closed shape. Is this figure is a polygon, my dear?
No, ma'am, it has
Come on, very good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
ma'am, 6 to 9.
What? Come on.
Ma'am, ma'am, the joining of 6 to 9.
They have 6 to 9 corners, ma'am.
Not like that, Nana. 6 to 9 are not like that. Suppose if you want to make any closed figure, how many line segments are needed, Nana? If you want to make any closed figure, how many line segments are needed?
Six.
Ma'am, at
Ma'am,
least
3
three.
to
At least.
3, ma'am.
At least
ma'am.
3 line segments. Now, what is the difference between children?
Polygon is 5, no, ma'am.
No. Who said it's pentagon?
Ma'am, there is square and rectangle,
Okay.
ma'am.
Anna, listen. What? Don't confuse for polygon and pentagon. Polygons are the closed figures, simple closed figures bounded by line segments, Nana. These are simple closed figures. Simple closed figures. Simple closed figures bounded by only line segments, not curves. Bounded by only line segments. Line segments. You just see, children. Now, I'm going to draw few polygons
Ma'am,
on the screen.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, circle is not a polygon, ma'am, because polygon means a shape that has at least 3 sides, ma'am, but the circle contains only 1 side, ma'am, so it is not a polygon.
Yes, now you see, children, what is this figure? Yes.
Triangle, ma'am.
Okay.
Triangle, ma'am.
Okay, whatever I draw is a triangle. Okay. Okay, then let me draw few more figures so
Ma'am,
that you can answer, children.
Ma'am still did not draw.
1 minute. What is the difference between previous case and this case? You have to mention.
Ma'am, just is that the triangle has only 3 sides, ma'am, and the square or rectangle will have 4 sides.
Okay, and this is only the difference you are finding from this. What my definition is what?
Ma'am, a triangle has 3 corners and a rectangle or square has 4 corners.
Okay, any other points?
Ma'am, the
Ma'am, a
difference is, ma'am,
ma'am, the square is triangle has the same.
ma'am, the triangle has 3 vertices, whereas the square and the rectangle has 4 vertices.
Okay.
Ma'am, all sides of a square is equal, but two sides of a square of a rectangle is equal and the other two are equal.
No, we are discussing about polygons. Don't go more about triangles, children. What is polygon? Polygon is a simple closed figure bounded by only line segments. You just see boundaries are is it line segment or any curves are also happen?
Ma'am, and the ma'am, can you
Just
repeat
see,
the question,
children.
ma'am?
Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Is ABC triangle all are AB and BC and AC are line segments or any curves also happen?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
there
they
is
are
only
line
line
segments.
segment.
Only line segment. Coming to the this figure, you observe ABCD is a square. In this ABCD, AB, BC, CD, AD are only line segments. No curves. Suppose in this rectangle, you have to take AB is a line segment, BC is a line segment, CD is also a line segment. There is no curved figures. Coming to the pentagon, also there is only we have 5 no curves, so it's a closed figure. It's a simple closed figure bounded by only line segments. The segments are A, B, C, D, E, children. Only line segments. So suppose if I'm asking one more question here, now the people should be answer. What is the main difference? What is this? I'm taking is this closed figure? Yes, it is closed. Yes, it is closed.
Star is a complex curve, no, ma'am.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Ma'am,
One
one
minute,
thing
1
is,
minute.
ma'am.
Is it a polygon? Is this a polygon?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't see your
No,
picture, ma'am.
It is not a polygon
we can
because
see,
the
ma'am,
lines
it's a
are
star.
intersecting each other, ma'am.
Is it a polygon? Yes.
No,
it is.
ma'am, but because the lines are the line segments are intersecting
Very
each
good.
other.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we can conclude here?
Ma'am, a star is not a polygon, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you just leave and join, ma'am? I can't see your screen, ma'am.
Okay. Please, children, please draw all the polygons. Then we have particular names. 3-sided polygon is triangle. 4-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. 5-sided polygon is a pentagon. Like that, we have different names. Please draw neatly the figures. I will give names.
Ma'am, I draw it, ma'am.
Yes, children, did you draw the picture?
Yes, ma'am, we draw it, ma'am.
Yeah, Jaydeep, are you able to see?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Can I just I'll just draw, ma'am.
Yeah,
I'm
please.
just writing that last
Ma'am,
one.
I draw.
It's due, not draw.
Yes,
Yes,
the next one. Sudisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going to draw a few more diagrams on the screen. Which are polygons, which are not polygons? You're supposed to tell those.
Okay.
There is a picture given in your textbook. This is a picture given. Is this a polygon or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are eating diamond shaped sweets, right? Then yes or no? You are eating.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's called Kaju sweets, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
those are also, I mean, sorry, not Kaju. Ma'am, those are also
Polygons.
polygons.
Yes. How many polygons you are eating? What are the different shapes you are observing in your?
For Kaju Barfi, it is a cube, but also a polygon.
Is
I think
this a polygon, children? Letter D.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No. Very good.
No, ma'am.
Jaydeep said
It is
no.
not, ma'am. It
Why?
is not a polygon, ma'am, because
Why?
it has a curved.
Because it has a curve.
Yes,
Has a
it has a curved region,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So this you have to say this is not a polygon. Not a polygon. Having a curve is, yes, it is polygon. It is polygon. Next, yes, this is also polygon, only happening sides are line segments. Yes, it is a polygon. Yes, it is polygon. Now, is circle is a polygon, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it has a curve, ma'am. It is a curve.
Yes, so circle is evenly, it is closed figure. It's a closed
Yes, ma'am.
figure, but it's not forming with a line
Not
segment.
polygon.
It's not forming with the line segments. Only pictures, whatever the
Ma'am, you
pictures
told that after drawing this, the diagrams, the A, B, C, D, or some diagrams, ma'am, you told that you will give some names or something, ma'am.
Oh, yes, we will go that.
Names of what, ma'am?
What different polygons names, Nana? We have
Okay.
different polygons.
Ma'am, hectagon, septagon, like that.
3-sided polygon. What is
Okay.
3-sided polygon name?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, triangle.
4-sided polygon.
Ma'am, quadrilateral.
What square annakudu, Nana? Square annakudu. Only quadrilateral we supposed to mention. 4 side we have Diamond shape
Quadrilateral.
is also happening 4 sides, but you
Yes,
should
ma'am.
not say it's like a rhombus. Ma'am, it's a kite. Ma'am, it's a trapezium. Ma'am, it's you supposed to not mention. We have 4-sided polygon name is
Quadrilateral.
quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. In examination also, they will give what is the name of 4-sided polygon. It's a quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral.
This is also
Quadrilateral.
very important, children. Shall I clear the screen so that we can go with
Yes,
the
ma'am, you can clear.
Yes,
ma'am.
next? Write down, children.
Ma'am, is only the square and the rectangular quadrilaterals.
No. Rhombus is 4-sided polygon. Kite is a 4-sided polygon. Trapezium
Ma'am,
is four.
sweets also, ma'am.
Parallelogram is a 4-sided polygon.
And that Kaju sweets.
These all are bounded by only 4 line segments, not
Ma'am, even
Burfi.
so it's what is the name of that? Quadrilateral. Spelling is also very important. You have to write it right now. I will.
QUADRITERAL.
Quad means Nana. What is quad?
Ma'am, 4.
I'm 4.
Quadrilateral means 4-sided polygon. 4-sided polygon. That's important, children. Quad. QUARD. Yes, quadrilateral. Yes, you have to write it. 3-sided polygon is triangle. 3-sided polygon is triangle. 3-sided polygon. 3-sided polygon is triangle. 4-sided polygon. Any 4-sided figure, Nana. Any figure like
Ma'am, I wrote 3 examples, ma'am. Square, rectangle, and diamond.
yes, you
The
can
diamond that you showed, ma'am, tilted.
tilted one. Yes.
And that Kaju sweet.
Yes. You
Yes,
can
ma'am.
just for your
Burfi
remembrance,
one.
I'm telling Nana. 4-sided polygon. 4-sided polygon. What are 4-sided polygons, children?
Ma'am, quadrilateral.
Yes, ma'am.
This is very important, Nana. Quadrilateral.
Ma'am, what are those?
Yes, 4-sided polygon under quadrilaterals we have square. What is
Square,
it?
diamond, rectangle, tilted.
Parallelogram, rhombus,
Parallelogram.
kite. These all are come under your quadrilateral family.
Ma'am, 5-sided is Pentagon, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, then heptagon.
These all are quadrilaterals only.
Ma'am, can I tell some kinds, some types of
Ma'am, the
some
fourth quadrilateral
quadrilaterals,
is an irregular polygon, right, ma'am?
No, Nana.
ma'am? Rectangle, ma'am. Rectangle is one, ma'am.
Quadrilateral, yes.
Rectangle, ma'am, and
No, my one more
ma'am,
question.
and parallelogram.
No, listen. My one more question is this? Yes. 1 minute. Okay, I will give this bit. A very interesting bit it is. Actually, I'll give little
Yes,
later.
ma'am.
Quadrilateral is over. Shall we go with 5-sided polygon, children?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Pentagon.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
are 4-sided polygon quadrilaterals examples? You can write it as square, rectangle. What you can write parallelogram.
Ma'am, I already just drew those square, rectangle,
Very
and
good.
parallelogram.
Kite, rhombus.
Ma'am, can I tell examples, ma'am?
These are the examples of quadrilateral. Now let me take
Even something, ma'am, trapezoid.
trapezoid. Yes.
Ma'am, diamond, ma'am.
Trapezium. We trapezoid in like they will call it in like USA. So we can call it as trapezium. Yes. Now you have to observe this figure, children. How many sides this figure is happening?
5, ma'am. 5.
Yes, 5-sided. Five-sided polygon is
And Pentagon.
yes.
Ma'am,
is
Pentagon.
Pentagon. 5-sided polygon is pentagon. 4-sided polygon is quadrilateral. Next.
Ma'am, 6 is?
6 is
Ma'am?
what is 6-sided polygon, Nana?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, hectagon, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, hectagon. Ma'am.
Hexa kaadu, Nana. Hexagon.
Hexa. Ma'am, heptagon is for 8, ma'am.
Heptagon is 7. 6-sided polygon.
Ma'am,
Six-sided.
ma'am, it is also we can easily remember it as honeybees in science books, ma'am. It is shown.
Ma'am.
In the honeybee hives, some cells are some cells or some parts of the one is in a hexagon shape.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very
Yes,
good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. Honeycomb chambers, ma'am.
Very good, Nana. Now 7-sided polygon 10 work rastan Nana 10 work
Ma'am,
నేర్చుకోండి.
hectagon.
10-sided polygon is in Nana 10-sided polygon.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
they
Ma'am, don't know.
Now
Ma'am, I used to know,
my
ma'am.
question to Sudisha. Sudisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this a polygon, Sudisha? What I draw?
Yes, ma'am. What you draw is a polygon.
How many sides are there in this polygon?
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 5 right?
Ma'am,
ma'am?
5, ma'am.
Can we call it as a pentagon, this figure?
No,
can
ma'am.
I tell why, ma'am?
No, ma'am, because pentagon has more than polygon.
Anna,
Ma'am, why is it not a pentagon, ma'am?
Ma'am.
It's also having 5 sides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? That's why you didn't. Your people are not. You are confused again. Why, ma'am?
Ma'am, because
It is
I
closed
think
figure. It is closed figure. It is bounded by 5 line segments. Yes, there is no overlapping, or there is no overlapping.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a polygon. But there are different types of polygons, Nana. Concave polygons and convex polygons.
yes, ma'am.
When you
Ma'am?
are going to your senior classes like 8th grade, you have polygons. There are different, like a caves. You just observe it is like a cave. How we are entering like a
Ma'am,
cave.
it is like a mail when you get in the mail, ma'am. A mail
This
letter.
is
Yes,
like
ma'am.
a concave. These are convex. And then you will learn about the concave, what are concave, what is convex. You will learn in your grade 8 class children. No worries now. Now
Okay, ma'am.
7-sided polygon. Let me draw 7-sided polygon.
Ma'am, mail, ma'am. It looks like
Ma'am,
mail.
yes, ma'am.
What, Nana?
Ma'am, that looks like a mail, ma'am, which you draw.
Yes. Anything you supposed to draw it. But it should be 7-sided polygon. What is the name of 7-sided polygon?
Ma'am, heptagon.
Yes,
Ma'am,
polygon.
hectagon, ma'am.
Heptagon. Heptagon or septagon, both the children.
Okay, ma'am.
Both names we can call it. Some textbooks it is given as
Septagon. ma'am.
septagon. Some textbooks it is given as
Heptagon.
Now, 8-sided polygon. What is 8-sided polygon, children?
Ma'am, octagon, ma'am.
Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, because octopus has 8 legs, that's why they named it octagon, ma'am.
Is it after what? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-sided polygon. No, it's not.
Ma'am, what is a 10-sided, ma'am?
Decagon, Nana.
Then nanogon is 9, ma'am.
Yes. So how many sides are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes or no, children? Is it happening? 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's
So
8.
8-sided polygon is called. 8-sided polygon is called octagon.
Ma'am, octagon.
Octagon.
Ma'am, it's a star, na, ma'am, that one.
You can write any pictures you can draw, children. Don't depend on me. 8-sided polygon. Whatever the shapes available, I am taking from that shapes.
Okay, ma'am.
8-sided polygon is octagon.
Ma'am, octagon.
Hexagon. Very important. Nana. Hexagon, heptagon, octagon. 9-sided polygon.
Ma'am, nanogon.
Very good. The 9-sided polygon is nonagon.
Ma'am, what should we draw, ma'am?
Drawing, you can take your own, Nana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
9. Ma'am, just finish that off with 1 line. ma'am.
We can extend and we can take it.
Okay, ma'am.
9-sided polygon is nonagon. The same way 10-sided polygon. Just before I'm taking whatever the shapes available, children, for my convenience.
Ma'am, decagon, ma'am.
Decagon, Nana.
Decagon. Okay.
Decagon. What is 10-sided polygon?
Ma'am, decagon.
10-sided polygon is decagon.
Decagon.
Yes. Decagon. Very important, Nana. Tomorrow in the morning also in the class I will ask. 3-sided polygon.
Ma'am, morning, ma'am.
Sudeep, not afternoon. Sudeep,
Okay,
what is 3-sided polygon?
Ma'am,
Name of
3-sided
the 3-sided polygon.
Ma'am, can I?
Name of the 3-sided.
Ma'am, can I tell 10-sided polygon, ma'am?
No, I am
Decagon.
Sudisha should answer. What is the 3-sided polygon?
Sudeksha, what has 3 sides?
Ma'am, I know it's a triangle, but
Very good, very good. Why you are thinking?
Ma'am, then why is she thinking that?
Yes. Next, 4-sided polygon. Drona. 4-sided polygon.
Ma'am, quadrilateral, ma'am.
Quadrilateral. Very good. Next, 5. Sri Harsha Alluri. 5-sided polygon.
ma'am,
Yes. 5. So name of the 5-sided polygon.
ma'am, name of the 5-sided polygon, it is, ma'am, I missed there, ma'am.
Pentagon. How many times I'm giving children?
Yes, ma'am.
Pentagon. Just before the picture, you can see this is 5-sided
Yes, ma'am.
polygon is pentagon.
Ma'am, I completed the notes, ma'am.
Now my question to yes. Where is the other student?
Ma'am, can you zoom it out?
Ma'am, Lohini.
1 minute. Lohini.
Ma'am, it is actually
Yes, ma'am.
hard to draw the
Excuse me, ma'am.
9-sided polygon, ma'am.
Oh,
Ma'am,
It's
yes,
easy
yes,
only.
yes. Sri Harsha, Osman.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you zoom it out?
1 minute. Let me question few students. Lohini, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Nana, 6-sided polygon. What is the name of 6-sided polygon?
6-sided polygon and name is hexagon.
Nana? Hexagon.
Ma'am, hexagon, ma'am.
Hexagon. 7 sides, Yadhar.
Ma'am, it's a septagon or a heptagon.
Very good. 8-side name.
What is a
Jaydeep.
10-sided polygon, ma'am?
Jaydeep, 8
It's a
sides.
decagon.
Ma'am, octagon.
Very good. 9 sides.
Ma'am, me only.
Yes.
Ma'am, nonagon.
Ashwath Reddy, what is 10-side polygon?
Ma'am, decagon.
Very good. These are the different names, children. 11, 12 also you have, children. You will go through net means you have many. But
Ma'am, actually these are told in 2nd grade or 3rd grade or.
I don't know, children, but nowadays also you are not giving correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
You're even we are going.
Ma'am, we learned this very old ago, ma'am. We should know, ma'am.
Okay, next, Nana.
Ma'am, can you zoom it out?
Yes. What is just a minute, Nana? What are diagonals? Anyway, we learned about many points.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
What's your doubt?
Ma'am, we can also go to 11-sided, 12-sided like that,
Yes,
ma'am.
we have. So
Ma'am, we can go infinite also.
Come down.
Ma'am, is there a limit, ma'am?
No, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the number of sides of a polygon depend on the size of it, ma'am. The size of the shape, ma'am. The size of the which we are going to draw.
Yes, children, after this, we just go with diagonals. What is diagonal? Sudisha raised a hand. What is your doubt, Sudisha?
Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. What is different names? Please learn, children. Tomorrow I'm going to ask you people, all people.
Ma'am, I already know. Ma'am, you can ask me everything. ma'am.
Okay, very good, Mama.
Yes, ma'am, you can also ask.
Next one. What is diagonal? Now, Ashwath Reddy, what are diagonals, Mama?
Ma'am,
Suppose, let me take.
ma'am, can I try once?
I'm doing on the screen. Just you have to tell what are diagonals. I'm taking like a pentagon shape. I'm taking here. To draw diagonals of the pentagon, how I supposed to draw diagonals? How I should draw the diagonals? Please, children, listen. To draw diagonals, you just think how many vertices are there? Nana, meeting points of two line segments. How many vertices are there?
Ma'am, 5, ma'am.
5. There are A, B, C, D, E.
Ma'am, I know the definition, ma'am.
Now my question is, children, how to draw diagonals? We can draw what are diagonals means. Diagonals.
Ma'am, can I tell that a straight line joining two opposite corners of a square, rectangle, or other straight-sided shape?
Very good. The opposite sides we are supposed to draw. Or else we can go with. What we can go with? Non-adjacent vertices.
A slanting.
Non-adjacent vertices. You just meet the points. Non-adjacent vertices. Non-adjacent means
Ma'am, the set of elements of a matrix that lie on a line joining two opposite corners.
Yes. Now you have to check here. This is one more vertex.
Ma'am, the D will opposite is B or A, ma'am. Which one?
Which one?
Both
Nana?
of them, right?
Yes,
Both.
ma'am. Both of them. Ma'am.
Yes, both we have to draw, Nana. Both
Okay,
are
ma'am.
opposites. These two are diagonals from this. Suppose from B vertices, what are diagonals from B vertices, Nana?
Ma'am, B
Ma'am,
to
B
D
is
and B to E.
B to D and
B to
B
E,
to
ma'am.
E.
very good. B to E.
Ma'am, A to C or A to D?
From
Ma'am, E to C.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. E to C.
that's all, children.
Ma'am, it's a star in the middle.
Now you have to tell the definition of your diagonals. What are the diagonals, please? Diagonals are nothing but line segments meeting at non-adjacent vertices. Those are the line segments meet at non-adjacent vertices. Non-adjacent vertices. That's a very important point, children. Well, yeah. Adjacent means pakka non-adjacent vertices. Non-adjacent means it's not side by side.
Ma'am, can you give an example of non-adjacent?
Now A and C are non-adjacent, Nana. A and C are non-adjacent. And what others are AB are non-adjacent. AD, not AD. AD are these are non-adjacent vertices.
Ma'am, which are adjacent then?
Adjacent means prakka Nana. A కి పక్కన ఏమున్నాయి?
Ma'am, A, B, A,
M,
E.
E, D, D, C, C, B, B, A.
These are adjacent. These are adjacent.
Ma'am, A, D, A, C. Ma'am, A, D, and A, C are we can write, ma'am. B, E, and B, D we can write, ma'am. C, E, and C, A we can write, ma'am. D, B, and D, A we can write, ma'am. And E, B, and E, C we can write.
Very good. That means non-adjacent means prakka kaadu Nana. It's
Ma'am,
not
A and B, D, E, D, C like that.
write down the point also you have to understand. So the end points of the same polygon are called adjacent vertices. Adjacent vertices, or else you have to put a heading as diagonals. What are diagonals means? Here diagonals are AC, AD are diagonals, and not only that we have 3 pairs of diagonals. Next, B and BD. Next, CE and CA. AC and anything you have to take, children. AC and CE. These are the
Ma'am, what is the
Ma'am,
spelling
AC
of
is already done, ma'am.
ma'am? What is the spelling of adjacent?
AC is already done, means what is left? Okay, that's all. How many diagonals we are getting, Nana, for Pentagon? Nana, Pentagon కి ఎన్ని diagonals వచ్చాయి, Nana? AC ఒకటి, AD. Then B to D, B to E. Then
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am, CD is not a diagonal, right, ma'am, because it is adjacent, right, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
sorry, Nana, CE, Nana, ఇది.
Ma'am, 4.
1 minute, Nana, 1 minute. Correct only, very good.
Ma'am, can we for polygons, ma'am? Can
Ma'am,
we
what are
write ma'am, can we write that for polygons? Can we write a note that the sides of a polygon will depend on the size of the shape, ma'am? The size of the
Number of
size of-
sides, Nana, number of sides.
Yes, ma'am. Shape doesn't matter, ma'am.
ma'am, the number of sides will depend on the size of it, right, ma'am?
Next one, you just open, let me see, classify the following: open or closed, or you supposed to tell children whether it is open curves, whether it
Ma'am,
is
what is the spelling of adjacent?
ADJACENT, Nana.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell the definition
Lady.
again, ma'am? Adjacent or something?
Adjacent means side by side, Nana, side by side. Like consecutive we are writing, right?
Yes,
Consecutive,
ma'am.
like that.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Non-adjacent means
Ma'am, which are not side by side.
are not
Like,
side by
which are
side.
ma'am,
opposite.
like A and C, ma'am. A and D.
Yes, children, now open curve or closed curve, please classify. Which is a closed? Is it open or closed? Is it closed
Open.
or open? Yes, open curve. Now another question: is it a closed or open curve, children?
I'm closed.
Next, is it a open or closed? Who is that boy is making some noise in the classroom?
Don't know, ma'am.
From Ashwin.
Yes, Ashwath only it is getting.
Yes, ma'am. I think Ashwath.
He is playing something.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. This that sound I heard it from another person.
Okay. Children, we can easily capture who are playing from your screen also. We can capture that Wise app. That's why we are keeping Wise app. Before we are directly going with the Zoom. But
Ma'am, we need to write
Yes,
this
ma'am.
in the classwork, ma'am.
just mark in the textbook only, Nana. Is it a closed curve or not? Yes, it is.
I'm
Ma'am, it is
closed,
a
ma'am.
closed curve, ma'am.
Yes, is this closed curve or not, children?
Ma'am, it is a closed curve, ma'am.
Right. Right, children. This is closed. Next step. Draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following: open curve. You can draw a rough diagram for open curve. This is your exercise 4.2, Nana. Exercise 4.2. Lohini, please respond. Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Open curve. Is this open curve, Lohini?
Yes, ma'am. It is open curve.
Yes, is this open curve? Open curve?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it open curve?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you have to write some more examples for closed curves. They're asking children in the textbook. Closed curves. Starting point and ending point should be meet each other. Yes.
Square.
Star. Yes. So how we suppose? Yes, we can take this also closed curve.
And square, ma'am. Square.
Very good. Square, circle,
Rectangle.
rectangle. Triangle.
Ma'am, the quadrilaterals, ma'am.
Yes, all quadrilaterals. Come on to the next one. Not only all, we can take any sided. Next, children. Draw any polygon and shade it interior. Draw any polygon and
Can you tell again, ma'am? I was.
okay. Draw any polygon. Draw any polygon and shade its interior.
Ma'am, I drew an pentagon.
Ma'am, interior shade is interior, right, ma'am?
Shade its interior.
Ma'am, you can fill, ma'am.
Yes, Nana. Which color I can fill here?
Ma'am, you can fill orange, ma'am, because orange is the fifth color in the colors one, ma'am.
Why do you go through that? Why can't you choose random?
Yes. Nana, fill option is this one only, right?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That one. Fill with color.
Yes, ma'am. The bucket paint. Yes, ma'am.
Now interior I colored, children. What is here? Draw a polygon and shaded interior here.
Okay.
Interior means inside portion. Interior.
Ma'am, and exterior means outside.
Yes, so we are unable to shade
Ma'am,
outside.
how do we shade the outside portion means the background?
Yes, the question is draw a polygon. Draw a polygon, any polygon, not only five-sided. Draw any polygon, and what is given, children? Draw
And shade its interior.
yeah, shade its interior. Shade its interior. Interior means inside region.
Ma'am, now only you have to do.
No, that's all, children. You can complete the till here. Then there are a few more questions for you to do. In this, consider the following and answer the following questions. So we have what are curves and what are closed
Ma'am,
curves.
will this be the homework, ma'am?
Homework you have supposed to do this part, children. Exercise 4.2, the remaining bits. Okay, children, other class is there so that I can stop over here. Today,
Yes,
what are
ma'am.
the points we discussed?
Ma'am, polygons, we learnt about all the types of curves, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
and the different types of polygons and the quadrilaterals, and we
yes,
did
ma'am.
exercise 4.2.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very
And you
good.
gave us some sums, ma'am.
Three
Yeah.
types of curves.
Very good. 3 types. About closed curves also. we
Exercise 6.4, ma'am, or 6.3?
Nana, what exit point? What exit?
Sorry, 4.4.
4.2.
4.2, ma'am.
Yes, 4.2 is your homework today.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
children. Bye, children. Take care. Have a nice day.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
ahead,
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Thank
day,
you
ma'am.
for.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Have a
everyone.
nice